Introduction. Unsupervised learning is a type of machine learning that deals with unlabeled data. Unlike supervised learning, where the algorithm is trained on a labeled dataset with input-output pairs, unsupervised learning algorithms are used to identify patterns, structures, and relationships in the data without any prior knowledge of the outcomes. This makes unsupervised learning particularly useful for exploratory data analysis, where the goal is to uncover hidden structures within the data. Key characteristics of unsupervised learning. 1. Number labeled data. Unsupervised learning algorithms work with data that has no labels or predefined outcomes. The data is purely input data without any corresponding output variables. 2. Pattern recognition. The primary objective of unsupervised learning is to identify patterns, groupings, or associations in the data. This can help in understanding the underlying structure of the dataset. 3. Dimensionality reduction. Unsupervised learning techniques can also be used to reduce the number of features in a dataset while preserving the essential information. This is particularly useful for visualization and simplifying models. Common unsupervised learning techniques. 1. Clustering. Clustering algorithms, such as k-means and hierarchical clustering, are used to group similar data points together. Each group, or cluster, consists of data points that are more similar to each other than to those in other clusters. 2. Association. Association rule learning, such as the a priori algorithm, is used to find relationships between variables in large datasets. This technique is commonly used in market basket analysis to identify items that frequently co-occur in transactions. 3. Dimensionality reduction. Techniques like principal component analysis, PCA, and T-distributed stochastic neighbor embedding, TSNE, are used to reduce the number of features in a dataset. These methods help in simplifying the data for better visualization and analysis. Applications of unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning has a wide range of applications across various domains. 1. Customer segmentation. Businesses use clustering algorithms to segment customers into different groups based on their purchasing behavior. This helps in targeted marketing and personalized recommendations. 2. Anomaly detection. In industries like finance and cybersecurity, unsupervised learning algorithms are used to detect unusual patterns or outliers that may indicate fraudulent activities or security breaches. 3. Genomics. In bioinformatics, clustering techniques are used to group genes with similar expression patterns, aiding in the understanding of genetic diseases and the discovery of new treatments. 4. Image compression. Dimensionality reduction techniques help in compressing image data by reducing the number of pixels while maintaining important information, which is crucial for efficient storage and transmission. Conclusion. Unsupervised learning is a powerful tool in the field of machine learning, providing insights into data that would otherwise remain hidden. By identifying patterns and structures in unlabeled data, unsupervised learning techniques enable a deeper understanding of complex datasets and open up new possibilities for data-driven decision-making.